Hi everyone, today we will start from the chapter number 2, playing with numbers of class 6. So, how to simplify a formation which can be written as 25 into 2 into minus 3 divide 4, like this formation. How to solve that process we will learn here. So, for this process, we have to learn the order of operations. These minus, divide, multiply all are called operations. So, how to do these operations? For this, we have to know about the formation which is called BODMAS, which is called as BODMAS. B stands for brackets, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and A stands for subtraction. This is the formation. So, what is the meaning of this order? When the question is in a simplification form, we have to simplify that formation. So, you have to first search about brackets. If there is no bracket, you have to move to off. Then if there is no off, you have to move to division. Then you have to move to multiplication. Then you have to move to addition. Then you have to move to subtraction. If there is bracket, first you have to solve this bracket. Then you have to move to off. If there is off, then solve this for off and then move to the division. And if this division is finished, then move to the multiplication. If the multiplication is finished, then you have to move to the addition. Then after that, you have to move for the subtraction. Okay? Now, you know about division, multiplication, subtraction, everything, but you don't know about brackets and off. What is the meaning of off? Suppose there is written 5 of 10. There is written 5 of 10. The meaning of it is 5 into 10. That means 50. Okay. 5 of 10. That means 50. You have to multiply this portion. Okay. I think it's clear. And the bracket, there are 3 types of bracket. First one is first bracket, then second bracket, then there is third bracket. Okay. First one is first bracket, second bracket, and then third bracket. Sometimes bracket can be written as like this. Suppose 2 minus 3, here is bracket. Okay. This sign as a also represent bracket. This sign also represent bracket. Now we'll show you another form, which is suppose 7 divided by 2. The meaning of this is 7 by 2. Okay. 7 divided by 2 is meaning of it 7 by 2. Suppose there is 14 divided by 7. Then it can be written as 14 by 7. Okay. I think it's clear for everyone. Now, we'll solve this formation and we have to simplify this formation. So, what is our rule? Our rule is BODMAS. Our rules is BODMAS. So, first B stands for bracket. Now, we have to see here, there is any other bracket? There is any bracket? No, there is no brackets. So, we'll move to the next portion, which is called as off. Is there any off? No. so there is no off. So we'll move to next portion, which is D. D means division. There is any division? Yes, there is a division. So what is the division? This is 17 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9. So what is the answer of 18 divided by 9? We have to write at the place of this portion. So we will write all the remaining portions same. All the remaining portions same. Then what you have to do? You have to divide 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So the answer will be 2. Now look at this portion. There is any divide? No, there are no divide. So we'll move to the next portion, which is multiply. Where is multiply? There is a multiply. So we have to multiply these two portions. So when we'll multiply these two portions, 25 into 5 will be 125. Then minus remaining same. All the numbers remain same. Then what is there? Is there addition. When you are adding something, you don't be confused regarding addition. When this formation will come, what will do? You have to see the front of the numbers. Always you have to see front of the numbers. So when we will see front of the numbers, here is plus. When nothing means plus, and here is minus, here is plus. So all the plus formation should be on the same side, and then other is left over there. So 125 plus 2 will be 127. Then will be left. Then after that 127 minus 12 will be 135. So answer is 115. Now we will solve this question. First, B stands for bracket. So there are no bracket, which means we'll move to the next portion, which is O. O stands for off. There are no off, so we'll move to next portion, which is D. D stands for divide. Here is one divide. Yeah. So we have to just divide this portion. 12 divided by 2, and the remaining portion will be same. So 881 into 2 plus 24 minus 12 divided by 2 is 6 will be here. Okay. Then after that we have to see there is M. M stands for multiplication. There is a multiplication. So we have to multiply this portion. So when we will multiply this portion, it will be 2, 6, 1762 plus 24 minus 6. We can see there is plus, then minus. So when we can see that this formation is already there, then no need to change this formation. So we will first then add. F stands for add. So when we will add 1762 is adding with 24. If we add it, then it will be 1786 minus 6. When we will minus, we will get 1780. I think it's clear. Now we will see the question number C. Now since there is no bracket, so we will move to the next portion, which is O. There are no off, which means we have to move to next portion, which is division. So here we can see there is a one division. So we have to first divide it. So 65 divided by 5, which will be 13. Then all the portion remain same, into 3 plus 17 minus 5. Now there is multiplication, so we have to do multiplication first, because after the D is M. So 13 into 3 is 39 plus 17 minus 5. Then there is addition. So 39 plus 17 will be 6. 56 minus 5, which means it will be 51. Which means it will be 51. Now we will solve question number D, which is 124 into 3 plus 16 divided by 4. Now first there is no bracket, so we'll move to next portion, which is off. Then there are no off, which means we move to D, which is divide. The divide is here, so we will do 124 into 13 plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then there is multiplication. After the division is multiplication, so we have to multiply 124 into 13. So we will multiply 124 into 13. That means 3 4s are 12. 1 is here. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 1s are 3. 4 1s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 1. So in there 2 1, then 6 1 1 6 1 2 1 6 1 2 plus 4, that means 1 6 1 6. Very easy. Now we will do question number E. Question number E said 18 plus 10 minus 7 into 32 divided by 1 by 3 of 24. Now here we cannot see any bracket, so we'll move to O. O for off, there is one off, which is 1 by 3 of 24. So we'll find out from here 1 by 3 of 24, which means 1 by 3 into 24, which means 3 can go with 24, which is 8, because 3 1s are 24 and 3 8s are 24. So 8 into 1 is 8. So in that case, we can put here 18 plus 10 minus 7 into 32. Then there is divide, put here divide. Then what is the value? 8. Then after that, what is there? D. D means division. Here is division. So we will do 18 plus 10 minus 7 into 38 divided by 8. How many times of 8 will be 32? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So 4. So 18 plus 10 minus 7 fours are, because after the division we have to do multiplication. So 7 fours are 28. Then what does it says? It says 8 then. So 18 plus 10 is 28, then minus 28, which means 0. Now we will solve question number F, which is, now B stand for brackets, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and A stand for subtraction. So here we cannot see any kind of brackets. So we will move forward, which is O. Here is O off. So we can do this 2 multiplication. So 12 into 9 is 108. Then minus 16 plus 32 into 2 will remain same. Now we have what we have to do? M. This is multiplication. So 32 into 2 is 64. Now here is plus, here is plus. So keep it at the same place. And then minus should be here. Now 108 and plus 64 will be 8 plus 4 is 2, 12, 2 is here, then 6 plus 1 is 7, then 1 minus 16. Then when we will subtract this portion, what we will get? 156. We will get 156. Similarly, we can see in this question number G, we can see there are no brackets. We will not work for the bracket. So for off is here. This is off portion. So we have to solve this portion, which is 1 by 6 of 54. That means 1 by 6 into 54. How many times of 6 will be 54? 6 9s are 54. And 9 into 1 is 9. Which means we can write 42 divided by 7 into 3, then plus, at the place of this portion will be put as 9, then multiply with 5, because multiply with 5 is the remaining portion. Now after the of, there is division. Now here is a division. So 42 divided by 7 is 6 into 3 plus 9 into 5. Now there is multiplication. There are two multiplications. So we have to do both the multiplications. 6 3s are 18, 9 5s are 45. Now we will add these two. So what will come? 3 6 63. Now we will see question number 8. Here there are so many brackets we have to do, because bracket is the first priority. So there are 3 types of bracket: first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. So what we have to do? We have to solve the first bracket only. So all the portion remain same. 20 minus 19 minus, now here 14 minus 8 is how much? Because in the bracket portion there are no division, no multiplication, no addition. Directly there are subtraction. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So minus 4 is there, and all the portion will same. Similarly, 42 minus 20 minus 19 minus, now 6 minus 4 is 2. Then we can remove the bracket. There is 2. After that, 42 minus 20 minus 19 minus 2 is 17. Sorry. Now 42 minus 20 minus 17 is 3, which means 39. If you have any doubt, then after that you can ask me. Okay. Now we will do question number 2i. Look at the question. There are so many brackets, so we will solve from the first bracket. So 910 minus 80 plus 34 minus 77 minus 50 is 27. Then bracket close. Then we have to remove this second bracket. So 910 minus 80 plus 34 minus 27 is 7. Now 910 minus, we have to remove the third bracket, which is 87. Now 910 minus 87 is 3, 2, 8, 823. Now look at the question number J. There is only one bracket, so first we have to solve this bracket, and other things will be remain same. Then bracket will be 43 minus 26 will be first, so 43 minus 26 will be 6 and 3 is 7. 170 minus 2 divide by 3. Then after that 54 plus 17 minus 2 is 9, and here is nothing, that means multiply. So 7 minus 2 is 15 divide by 3. Now after the bracket there is off, then after that division. So first there is division, this portion. So 54 plus 9 into 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 54 plus 9 5s are 45. So 54 plus 45 is 99. Now look at the question number K. In the question number K, you can see here there is second bracket and there is first bracket. So we have to solve for the first bracket first. So all the portions should be same. Now in the first bracket you can see there is divide, plus and minus. So first what we have to do? First we have to do divide. So 16 divided by 8, which is 2, plus 13 minus 15 will remain same. After that 555 plus 22 plus 343 minus. Here we can see there is plus and minus. So first we have to do plus. So 2 plus 13 is 15 minus 15. So 555 plus 22 plus 343 minus 15 minus 15 is 0. Now here 555 plus, now this is second bracket. We can do second bracket because first bracket is finished. Now second bracket you can see here there is plus and there is minus. So first we have to solve for the plus. So for the plus 22 plus 343 will be 365. Then minus 0. Then 555 plus 365 minus 0 is 365 only. Then we have to add these two. So 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, there is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12, 2 is there and 1 is there, so 9. 920. Now we will do question number L. Question number L, look, there is bracket. There are 3 brackets, which are third bracket, second bracket and first bracket. So why we have to solve for first bracket first. So all the portion will be same. Yeah, all the portion will be same. Now in the first bracket you can see plus is there, off is there, minus is there. So first we have to do off. So 39 plus 3 of 3 is 9 minus 40. After that we can see 91 minus 22 minus 16 divide. Now 39 plus 9 will be 48 minus 40. Now after that 91 minus 22 minus second bracket 16 divided by, now first bracket will be open, then it will be 8. Now 91 minus 22 minus 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 91 minus 22 minus 2 is 20, which means 71 will be the answer. Now we will do question number M. That question number M, look at here, there are so many brackets. Now there is a first bracket. Okay, so we have to solve for the first bracket first. So all the portions should be same. All the portions should be same, and then in the first bracket you can see there is minus, there is divide. So first we have to do divide portion. So 5 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2, and after the bracket there is divide also, which is for second bracket. Now 27 plus 3 minus 29 minus 6 divide 3 minus 5 divided by 2, which is 3 divided by 3. Okay. Now 27 plus 3 minus 29 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 27 plus 3 will remain same, minus 29 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 27 plus 3 minus 29 minus 1 is 28. Now then 27 plus 3 is 30 minus 28, which is equal to 2. Now we will solve question number n. Question number n, you can see here there are two separate brackets which are first brackets. So for the first bracket, which is 12 plus 3 into 2. So here we have to first do multiplication. So 12 plus 3 into 2 is 6 minus, here we have to do multiplication first. So 16 minus 5 into 2, 10. Now 12 plus 6 is 18 minus 16 minus 10 is 6, which means we can write 18 minus 6 is 12, which will be our answer. This was very easy. Now look at the question number O, which is, now here second bracket is there, also first bracket is there. So first we have to do for first bracket only. So 12 of 9 is there, minus 13 plus 2. Nothing is there, that is multiplying. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. Then minus 1. Second bracket closed. And after that 12 of 9 minus 13 plus 2 into 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 12 of 9 minus 13 plus 2 is 16. Now this second bracket, for second bracket we are doing minus 13 plus 16 is 29. Now we can solve for off. Off is just a multiplication. So 12 of 9. So that means 108 minus 29, which means 108 minus 29 is 9. 79 is their answer. Now we will solve this question. Now here the first bracket is there. So what we have to do? We have to solve for the first bracket first. So 90 into 3 will remain same, plus 120 divide 50 minus 15 minus 5 is 10. Now first bracket will vanish. So 90 into 3 plus 120 divide, for the second bracket there is 50 minus 10, which is 40. Now 90 into 3 plus 120 divided by 40. If we do 120 divided by 40, 40 divided by 120, it's 3 times of 120. So here answer will be 3. Now 90 into 3 is, because multiply and plus is here, so multiply will be at first. So 90 into 3 is 270 plus 3, which means 273. Now we will do question number Q. Now here first bracket is here. So what we have to do? What do we have to do? First we have to solve for the first bracket. So 9 plus bracket start 2 of 35 divided by 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 1. Then all the portion will remain same. Then after that 9 plus first bracket, second bracket 2 of 35 divide. Now 8 minus 1 is 7. Then we can cover with second bracket, then plus 15 minus 2, which is in third bracket. So 9 plus, we have to do for second bracket. This much is second bracket. So 9 plus, first look at here, off is there and divide is there. So first we have to do for off. Now 2 into 35 is 70. 2 into 35 is 70. Then divide by 7 and all the portion will be remain same. Now 9 plus 70 divided by 7 is 10, because 10 sevens are 70, plus 15 minus 2. Now here 9 plus 10 plus 15 is 25 minus 2, which means 9 plus 25 minus 2 is 23. So 23 plus 9 is 32. Is it? You will practice at home. I think you will be perfect for the any kind of simplification. Okay?